Jada, and in today's video, if you couldn't tell by the title or thumbnail, I will be making a Lucas and Taeyong headband for the SuperM concert. This is not for me. This is actually for my friend who double biases Lucas and Taeyong. Yeah, she biases Lucas. Anyway, so I hope she likes this, but this is, I'm just kind of like, I'm not the expert at arts and crafts personally, and so I'm going to first do a big perimeter around here, and then my plan is to put on this ribbon, this sparkly ribbon, to give it a little bit more flair, and then, yeah, right now. Anyway, so this one friend, this looks good. Anyway, yes, I'm going to be going to SuperM, and my friend, I was making a headband for me, and I was like, well, I have a lot of headbands, so I was like, I might as well make one for, a friend or two, right? And making one for my sister and stuff like that. So, for making these headbands, I was generous enough to give it to her, and she was like, oh, I want Lucas as one, and I was like, okay. Anyway, so this one friend, she technically didn't like SuperM, I guess. But she did. And now she's going to concert. At first she wasn't going to go. She was like, Jada, why are you going to this concert? And I'm like, well, because I like the group and I want to go, obviously. Oh, I forgot my scissors. I got them back here. And she was just, being mean to them, all that kind of stuff. And then here comes, she's going to the concert, right? And I'm like, I called her a few days ago, and because we were like talking about AT's tickets, because AT's are going to be going on tour. Oh, I might need harder scissors. Yeah, let me get harder scissors. So basically, she was like, I got the harder scissors. She was basically like, why are you going to SuperM, right? And I'm like, well, I actually like the group. You may not, but I do. Where did I get my cup from? Oh, here. And so, she's trashing SuperM, all that kind of stuff. And then here he goes, we're talking about the AC's concert, and I'm like, why do I find this so funny? Now you're going to SuperM after you did like them and stuff. And she was like, actually, I did like them the whole time. And I was like, yeah, I know you like them. Because she just wanted this, I guess, I was like, you just want to be more superior and seem more, and not like the group, right? And she was like, stop reading my mind. And I was like, well, it's kind of obvious, because I just know her and stuff. So now she's going to be going to the concert, and I'm super happy for her and excited. We're going to meet up with her other friend too. I'm going to make her a headband. She wants Taeyong and Taemin. I might make a different style. Like, this is my first time making a headband, and I'm not a master at this. So I'm super excited to see what I could do with this, and hopefully do it for future K-pop concerts. Like, I usually just go to K-pop concerts and kind of plan with it. Like, just go, get my light stick, just come in a cute outfit, and then I'm like, go with my friends or family and like sister, and I would be like, we're good, right? But now I was like, let me take it to the next level. And I also I've always wanted to do this. I was just like never able to do it. So I just bought a bunch of art supplies. Actually, I got them from like the garage. We like cleaned the garage and stuff. Found a bunch of this art supplies. So I was like, score. I was like, okay, now it's fresh. I'm gonna do this. So yeah, now I'm super excited. I hope they enjoy and like these. My mom hasn't picked a bias in SuperM yet. Like, I was like, I'm just gonna make you Mark one then. So I'm gonna become on Mark, because Mark's my NCT 127 bias, but Lucas is pretty much my all around NCT bias, which I'm like, and Lucas is kind of like a wavy now. I don't think he's even a part of NCT anymore. I don't know, NCT's kind of confusing at times. So I'm just trimming the sides right here. Okay, after trimming the sides here, this is the first one. Probably gonna go for Taeyong and Lucas, obviously. And then now here's the second one, second circle. I think the circle is made for Lucas. It doesn't matter, they're both pretty much the same size. But anyway, so talking about SuperM, I set up this whole live stream. I learned how to do live streams on YouTube and stuff. So if you're a fan of them, you should go still tune into the live stream that's going to be happening on January 30th. And I'm super excited for it. But anyway, I was saying, I'm so scared that this live stream is not going to work out. Like, even though I doubt that many people are going to tune in because I'm just really small, and I don't think that many people will be like looking up SuperM live streams, you know. But who knows? Anyway, so I'm super scared it won't actually work because I'm kind of promoting it a lot. I'm like, go check out this live stream, you know, and like people maybe go tune in and they're like, where's the live stream? And I'm like, oops, well, it doesn't work anymore. Hope there's good connection and everything. And it doesn't copyright it, but I doubt it will. So these are the two members. Little circles that their faces are going to go on. So this is going to be for Lucas. It's going to be for Taeyong. So one's slightly bigger, but you know, it's okay. Not everything's perfect. So now my plan was to, I'm going to take these off. It's another good size. I'm going to, pretty much my plan is to make it more bedazzled and just bedazzle it pretty much. Well, not bedazzle. Make it a little bit more sparkly and glittery. So I'm going to put on this ribbon on these two circles and print in. Then glue on the photos. Right, okay. So now I made the sizes for these to staple it. So actually then stapling will work. I always hope it does. Sit for a little bit and let the glue dry properly. So yeah, I'll continue later. Hello. So, oh wait, I'm gonna close the door. So, hello. So I'm back from letting these two guys dry up. Oh, that's a little. I'm gonna cleared a few things up, and so now they're glued on. And so now next step is cardboard. Woo-hoo-hoo. So I'm going to cardboard these two up on here. The cardboard's big. I should have made a smaller piece of the cardboard. So now that they have dried with glue, pretty much, I drenched with glue so it took a while, I went and got a glue gun. And so I'm going to glue the gun on them on the cardboard. See, you know, looking nice and shiny, looking nice. So now you can see that they're glue gunned on, and I'm going to just cut it. I'm making these kinds of stands to stand up here to hold up the photos. I'm going to attach them. Okay guys, it's the finished product. They look like Minnie Mouse ears. But they're cute. Yeah, you see Lucas, hottie. You see Taeyang, another hottie. See the back, the little stands, you know. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.